Year 5. Today is Wednesday and our learning is all going to be about revising short division. Hopefully you'll remember exactly what to do as we go on. But first of all, we're going to start off with our Fluency in 5. Today's number is 138, and as always we need to add 10, subtract 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 100, divide by 10, divide by 100, double it and halve it. Give yourself a few minutes. You might want to pause the video while you work your answers out on a piece of paper. Well done. Let's go through the answers. 130 add 10 equals 148. 138 subtract 10 is 128. 138 multiplied by 10 is 1380. 138 multiplied by 100 is 13,800. 138 divided by 10 is 13.8. 138 divided by 100 is 1.38. To double it, it will be 276. And half of 138 is 69. Well done, everybody. Let's move on to today's learning. Here is a sum. 369 divided by 3. Today we're going to practice using the bus stop method. Here we have a bus stop. Our number is 369 is within our bus stop, and the number that we are dividing by is on the outside, just like this. When we are dividing using the bus stop, we need to think to ourselves, how many threes go into our first digit? And this time the number is 3. So how many threes go into 3? One lot of 3 goes into 3. So we will put 1 above the line. We now need to be thinking about how many threes go into 6? 3, 6. Sometimes it might help to count on your fingers. Let me do that again. 3, 6. That went in 2 times. So I have put 2 above my line. Right, and let's look at the last number. How many threes go into 9? I'm going to use my fingers again to help me if I need to. 3, 6, 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And I have written that above the line. That means that 369 divided by 3 equals 123. Well done if you followed that. Let's have a look at another one. 564 divided by 4. I'm going to write it as a bus stop using my short division. I have put my 564 within my bus stop, and I have put the number I am dividing by, which in this case is 4, on the outside. I first have to think to myself, how many 4s go into 5? 4. 4 goes into 5 one time. But 4 doesn't go into 5 exactly. I have 1 left over. I have 100 left over, so I am going to convert that into 10 tens and move that into the next column by putting a 1. Now I have 4. How many 4s go into 16? How many 4s go into 16? Let me count. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 goes into 16 or 16 tens 4 times. So I will write that above the line. Lastly, how many 4s go into 4? 4. 1. 4 goes into 4 one time. This gives me an answer of 141. So 564 divided by 4 equals 141. You will notice in that sum we weren't able to have exact answers each time, and there was occasionally a remainder. If there is a remainder, you just carry it on onto the next column. Let's have a look at another one. Here we have 252 divided by 3. Let's write that in the bus stop. Where do you think the number should go? Well done. 252 goes within the bus stop and 3 goes on the outside. Starting from the beginning, how many 3s go into 2? 3 doesn't go into 2. So I am going to have to put a little 0 and carry my 200, change it into 20 10s and move it onto the next column. So now how many 3s go into 25? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 3 goes into 25 8 times. But we have one left over because to get from 24 to 25 we have one more. So we have 1 10 left. That 1 10 gets put next to our little 2. Now, how many 3s go into 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. Our answer is 4. So 252 divided by 3 equals 84. Well done. Let's have a look at a different problem this time. Eva has 261 straws. She wants to make them into triangles. How many triangles can she make? So 261 divided by 3 is the method that we will have to use. I am going to write my 261 divided by 3 in a bus stop using my short division. How many 3s go into 2? Well done. 3 can't be divided into 2. So we will put a 0 and we will carry our 2 on the next column where we have exchanged our 200s for 20 10s. How many 3s now go into 26? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. I'm going to stop there because the next number would be too many. That went in 8 times, leaving me with 2 left over. I have carried my 2 10s onto the next column. Now, how many 3s go into 21? Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3 goes into 21 7 times. This means that Eva can make 87 triangles with her 261 straws. Well done, everybody. You've been listening really, really well. You now need to go onto Purple Mash to answer today's learning about dividing using short division. If you need to use a paper and pencil to work out your answers, please do so. That's how you are going to get better, by doing lots and lots of practice. Don't be tempted to do it in your head. It's best to write it down so you can see see your method. I'll look forward to seeing all your learning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.